Let's discuss replacing the EGR valve control solenoid. And this particular truck is a big block, throttle body injected Chevy product. And so we've got a 4-wire signal here, power, ground, and then PCM control. And then we've also got 2 different vacuum lines here. One vacuum line goes to the EGR valve itself, and the other one is a direct feed vacuum from the throttle body here. And so this is actually a ported vacuum. So under certain load conditions, vacuum will be applied to the solenoid. The computer will turn on the solenoid, allowing vacuum to pass through to the EGR valve, allowing it to open or close. Well, this has got a faulty solenoid. So we're going to replace the solenoid now. In a different video, we'll also go ahead and replace the EGR valve as well. It's good to do these in a combination. But this is a pretty straightforward solenoid to replace. Use a flat blade screwdriver here, pop the electrical connector loose on the back of the valve, get that off. Then we're going to take impact with a 10mm socket and back off the 2 bolts holding it in place. We're going to take our new solenoid, install it into place here, get our tie down bolts in place. And we'll tighten both of those up. Install our electrical connection, and it's very important to install our vacuum lines to the port in which they were removed. Now in this particular truck, we're going to go ahead and replace the valve as well. It's had some issues with sticking, and it's, again, good idea to replace the system as a pair. But once the job's done, we'll clear codes, maybe use a scan tool to run some bidirectional tests, ensure that the system is working, and finally take it for a test drive to finally verify that the problem has been corrected. But we've just gone ahead and replaced the vacuum control solenoid for the EGR valve. You can see it's a pretty straightforward job to do.